Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your O-Kam Pro Camera App. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step, we want to go ahead and remove the camera from the app. So you want to go ahead and open up your O-Kam Pro app, tap on your camera, that's here, and then open settings. Then we need to select device or remove camera. So yeah, select it, delete device or remove camera. Now, if the app itself is glitching, that's okay. What we can do is come back here, click and hold down the application, click on the eye to get app info. Then from there, you want to scroll down, click on the storage. Now you want to go ahead and clear cache and then clear data as well. Now, next step is to reset the camera itself. So make sure the camera is powered on, and then we want to find the reset button or reset hole on the camera. So I've got a diagram here. So we need to find this little button here. That's a reset button. So press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds, and you can usually hear a reset successful or please use the app for Wi-Fi configuration, meaning you've successfully reset your camera. Now if you want to go ahead and reconnect the camera again, open up the app and then tap the plus icon. So that's located on the top right hand corner of the page. Then we need to allow O-Kam, so click on while using the thing, go ahead and scan the QR or device body to go ahead and re-add it. And then obviously you need to connect it to your Wi-Fi network as well.